Hello and welcome to Mouselow Car Centre. Today I'm pleased to offer this 2016 16 plate Skoda Superb Laurin Klement 4-wheel drive 2-litre petrol automatic estate. Having had one owner from you and covered 72,000 miles, the vehicle comes with full service history as well as features including heated electric front seats, heated rear seats and front and rear parking sensors. For more information or to arrange a test drive, visit our website at www.mouselow.co.uk or call us on 0161 494 2113. Thank you for watching.